Shopify versus Wix, best for e-commerce, which is better? In this video, we're going to be talking about Shopify and Wix and whichever one of these is best for your e-commerce. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about Shopify. Now, Shopify is one of the top most used and leading e-commerce magnets out there. A billion people use Shopify for their drop shipping. And then you have Wix. Wix is also a great place where people create online stores, blogs, and service websites. Mostly, I've seen people create service websites and blogs using Wix. Not a lot of people create online stores using Wix. Online stores are mostly made on Shopify. But Wix has a very good set of features when it comes to editing things because it has great infrastructure, it has great source of integrations, it has great source of automations. Even the marketing and SEO, I'd say, is better than Shopify's. But obviously, when it comes to e-commerce, the level of features and products that Shopify gives you to add and integrate into your store, I don't think Wix will give it to you when it comes to e-commerce. So, in terms of normal website creation, I'd say go with Wix, but in terms of e-commerce, Shopify definitely takes the torch. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.